Oh, Thursday morning fabrics, and these are denims. I'm so excited. I'm going to start with this fabric. I just love this fabric. It's so Tommy Bahama looking to me. It's so tropical and fun. It's 100% cotton. Both sides are usable. Just a beautiful fabric. Great shirt, skirt, dress, wrap little skirt. Just a fun fabric. Great drape. Then we go into denims, and the reason I've done this is denims. Denims have been so hard to get, you all, and I got these at a decent price, and all of these are going to be $15.99 today, so I'm excited about that. This, we start with no stretch, regular denim, but this is such a nice weight. I would give it a 4 ounce. But it's lovely. It is 100% cotton. Has a little bit of stretch to it, but I said woven because it's such a small amount of stretch that I think it's more mechanical stretch than anything else, but it's beautiful. It's a navy denim. It's a true denim. Great selvage. Just a really pretty piece of fabric. And then I put in these cotton also because, again, just such great coordinate pieces with them. This is reversible. It's a kind of a blue, it's a blue wine white, just pretty plaid. Put it on the bias, it'll look great. Even a little tank would be wonderful. Then these next three, they are all 100% cotton. They are stretch denims, but I wanted you to see the different colors because they're all the same. They're just the differences. So this is a charcoal. I'll let you see that. So it's got a gray. It's dark charcoal, don't get me wrong. And these denims, I mean, I live in these things. I do tops out of them. I do all of those knit pants. I do yoga pants. I do all of them. They're just a really good option for pants. And then this is the navy. Again, same thing. I'm going to put it right next so you can see the differences. And then this is the black. So we've got the charcoal, the top, the navy, and then the black. Hoping you can see that. So they're just 3 different colors, but the exact same thing. Great drape, great drape. A lot of these have terrible drape. This has great drape and great recovery. These are beautiful fabrics, 100% cotton. So there you have it, 100% cottons today, denims and more. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.